In this video, we will demonstrate how to thread an industrial Juki sewing machine. Before you begin, lift up the presser foot. This will release the tension. Place the desired thread color on the right-hand side of the thread stand. Thread from back to front, then down, back to front again, through the bottom hole on the rod. Bring the thread up and around in between the tension discs. Thread left to right through the top hole in the 2 eyelet bar. Repeat with the lower hole. Bring the thread down and in between the 2 tension discs. Then up to catch the take-up spring. Bring the thread down under the hook, then back up through thread guide A. Next, you will guide the thread from right to left through the hole in the take-up lever. Come down through thread guide B. Continue down. Go through the first guide in the needle bar. Then thread from front to back through the lower hole in the needle bar. Now is a good time to cut the end of the thread. The sharp edge will go through the needle more easily. Lastly, thread the needle from left to right. Then bring the thread under the presser foot and to the back, and you are finished.